Let me show you how to create a new chat. First of all, log into the system and go to the model provider part. Here you need to configure your first model. We will use OpenAI as an example. Click the blue button. You will need to enter the API key. And then you will see your model will appear in the edit model part. So go to the set default models part. And you will see that for embedding and re-rank, we already have the model configured for you. But still, you need to configure the chat model. So we will pick up the GPT 4.1 here, and you can leave other models behind, or you can choose the one that available for you. And then just click Save Settings button. Okay, next go to the knowledge base part. Click the blue button to create your new knowledge base. We will create a knowledge base called resume. And pick up the dataset part and click this upload a document button to upload your first document. Click this blue button and we're gonna choose a demo resume here and select the parse on creation checkbox and click the upload button. Then you can close this one. So the parsing will need a little bit time, so we need to wait a bit. Okay, now it's done. We can create a chat based on this knowledge base. So in the sidebar, just pick up the chat menu and delete this one. This is the previous one. And we can click this new button to create a new one. Give it a name. We will call it the resume assistant. Scroll down to the bottom and in the knowledge base part, pick up the knowledge base we just created and click save. And then you can start a new conversation here. So I want to ask questions based on the knowledge base. So I want to see what's inside the knowledge base. Let's go there and pick up the resume part and click this one. And you will see this guy is called Jack Morgan. Of course, it's a demo one. It's a fake. But it doesn't matter. I just want to show you how you guys can create chat. And go to the previous conversation, and here, tell me something about Jack Morgan. I got some typo, but I don't think it's matter. Okay, so you will see that the AI is pretty clever. It can give you the answer based on things on the knowledge base. And if you click this file name, you'll be forwarded to this document. All right, so that's it. That's how you can create your first chat in DeepRAG.